Looking for great Procreate alternatives for your iPad or Android tablet? Then try out one of these 5 drawing apps because they are definitely worth trying out. IbisPaint is probably a fan favorite, especially among Android users. And the user interface might look a bit dated, but don't let that fool you. It's packed with tools. You can see how you can create super smooth, pressure-sensitive lines. And also, this app includes more than, I believe, 15,000 brushes, including brushes that were made by users. And you'll also find a super big collection of filters and patterns and textures. And you can even find a whole selection of tracing sketches that will help you create a base for your drawing. And another great thing about this app is the active community. So users of IbisPaint aren't just sharing their brushes, but also their artworks. You can use them to study and check out their time-lapse videos. So that's a really nice resource. You can use IbisPaint for free with ads, or you can pay a one-time fee for the ad-free version. And if you want the Prime version for more cloud storage, special filters, and unlimited brushes and more, they need to pay for a monthly subscription. I think IbisPaint is super versatile. I like that it has this community, but I do find the ads to be quite annoying, and I don't like the idea of needing a monthly subscription. Sketchbook feels intuitive right from the start. I really like the clean interface. It's super quick and responsive. And I really like this minimal brush menu, where you can just slide up and down and left to right to change your size and opacity. Sketchbook really shines when you just want to sketch fast. It has great textured brushes, which feel really natural. Like I said, that brush menu feels really simple but effective, just like the symmetry tool and the perspective grids that you can get at the top. Now you can do a lot with the free version of Sketchbook, and the full version only costs a couple of dollars or euros for a one-time payment. And then you'll get access to more brushes, to clipping mask, adjustment effects, and more. I think this is a really easy to use app, and it has all the features you need, and the full version comes at a low price, so that's definitely a plus. MediBang's interface looks a bit more crowded and the ads can be distracting. Menus can be opened and closed though. Just like the other apps, MediBang has all the tools you need, and there is a crazy amount of brushes. There are even brushes that give you like complete illustrations, complete objects. Now, what I think is great is that the app has a built-in learning tool. They have tutorials and guides made for beginners, which I think is super useful. Now, you can use this app for free, but the ads are quite annoying. And to use everything in the app and not have all the ads, you need a monthly subscription. And the price of the subscription depends on how much cloud storage you want. But it'll give you access to all the brushes, patterns, tracing materials, and more. Now, what I really like about this app is that it's super beginner friendly, but I just wish the free version would have fewer limitations. Sleek and modern. That's what I would call Infinite Painter. It feels professional right from the start. I really like how minimal the interface is, not distracting you from creating your artwork. Infinite Painter really has many amazing brushes already available in the free version, and everything is super easily accessible. I feel like it makes painting very intuitive. The only downside I found in the free version is that you can only create 3 layers. Infinite Painter also has a great brush customizer. You can tweak loads of things, creating a brush that is just what you need. Infinite Painter offers a free trial, and then after that, it's a one-time purchase at, I believe, definitely a reasonable price, and that will give you access to more than 3 layers, adjustments and effects, perspective tools, and more. This one is really a top pick for me. It's like a Procreate's clean cousin, but it works on Android too. So if I would have an Android tablet, I would definitely get Infinite Painter. I know I'm not sponsored. This is just my honest opinion. This last one, Artset, is really a feast for the eyes. It feels like painting on real canvas. Artset is perfect for relaxing sketches, playing around with watercolors, or for getting the feeling of mixing real oil paint on a canvas. I just love how the paint interacts with the canvas. I haven't seen another app that mimics real media in such a realistic way. Now the app is free to try. You get a bunch of options. But if you want the premium version in which you can change your brush size, get access to all of the brushes, to layers, to adjustments, alpha lock, and more, then you need the premium version, which is a one-time purchase. Now this app, it just makes me smile. It's so relaxing to see the paint on this digital canvas, and I think it's definitely worth the one-time payment. So these were my 5 Procreate alternatives. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and then I'll see you next time.